G'day ladies and gentle tubers. We've got a new pony coming to the property, so I had to quickly slap together a run-in shelter. I don't like to do anything temporary, so I've tried to do a bit of a nice job and somewhat match the barn that I've already built. So for the budget of the build, we're looking at about $2,000 to $2,500 for timber, fixtures and fittings, concrete for the post holes, sonotube, stirrups, nuts and bolts. There's probably $500 to $600 worth of tin on the roof. I used some leftovers from my previous barn build, so I don't have an exact price on that. And then we're looking at another $600 worth of footing and mats to keep the horse comfortable. In an effort to make this film a little shorter, easier to watch and consume, I've decided to remove all my usual detail and fluff. But if I do leave you with more questions than answers, please feel free to ask any question in the comments below. I'm only a small channel and love answering everybody's questions. here it is finished before a new horse has had a chance to tear it all apart. I do plan in the future to add a couple of walls and maybe some gates, but for now, with the new horse arriving tomorrow, this will do nicely. Again, if you have any questions, please fire away in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with further content from Build Grow Play.